Hi, my name's Amelia. Welcome to the Produce Made Simple Kitchen. We're here to inspire you to enjoy more fruits and vegetables. Today we're making our take on a scalloped potato dish. It uses less fat than traditional recipes and saves you time by using a slow cooker. First, peel and thinly slice your potatoes. We like using Ontario-grown yellow or white ones. Next, finely dice 1 cup of yellow onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Now it's time to assemble your dish. In your slow cooker, create layers of potato, onion, and cheese, making sure to finish it all off with a layer of cheese. Next, we're going to prepare our sauce. Instead of using lots of cream and cheese, we're going to make a white sauce. Start with a saucepan over medium-high heat. Melt your butter and stir in the flour. Add the stock and whisk until smooth and thickened. This may take anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes. Next, you want to remove your sauce from the heat and blend in the mayonnaise, garlic, salt, and pepper. Pour sauce over potatoes, then cover and cook on high for 4 to 5 hours until your potatoes are fork tender. Keep warm until you're ready to serve it. I love this slow cooker option because after a long day at work, I can come home to a warm, comforting dish. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Produce Made Simple. See you! Save time by using this slow cooker.
Saves time. Perfect, yeah.
It was the recipes and the dishes.
I know.
Yeah. Okay.
We're good.
You're gonna...
Yeah.
Yum.